everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge of. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your SBI PO class, and that is your class 31, where we had done your 30th class in the last sessions as well. And in the same way we had done your 80th question in SBI PO, which is your State Bank of India PO exam, data analysis and interpretation. Before that we had done your reasoning part as well, so that is also being important one. If you had not visited that, you can just go ahead with the playlist. You will figure it out, each and every video with the topic in the detail with their questions as well. So let's get started here for the 31st class, that is your 81st question of the session. It's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe. So here the question is, you have to study the given graph carefully to answer the questions that follows, where the number of days taken by 3 carpenters to finish making one piece each of 4 different items of furniture. So with their chair, table, bed, cupboard that we have. So no problem, we will go for it. So number of days taken by 3 carpenter to finish making one piece each of 4 different items of furniture. So here for that, carpenter X, carpenter Y and the carpenter Z we have. Carpenter X, carpenter Y, carpenter Z. Now we have here graph 0, this chair, table, bed, cupboard. So here for after 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So for that, now we will go for it. So we'll go one by one. Here it is, chair for 2, then table for 3, then bed for 8, and then the cupboard is for 10. This is first graph. Now we go for the second graph. This is for 3. Then table for 2. Then your bed 12. And cupboard is for 15. Okay. Now for another one, which is the another graph, that is the third graph. For chair it is 4. The table it is 6. Then for bed it is 10. And for cupboard it is 8. So this is a 3 graph with the carpenter 1, a carpenter X, carpenter Y, and carpenter Z. Now we go further in the detail about it, which has been the question that has been all asked related to it. So let's go for it. So the question 681 we have, if carpenter X and carpenter Y were to make a chair together, how many days would they take? The options are 1 day, 4 day, 3 day, 2 day, none of these. So let's go for the same here. Question 81. If carpenter X and carpenter Y were to make a chair together, how many days would they take? How many days would they take? Options are 1 day, 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, and the fifth one is none of these. Now we go for it. Here we go. So carpenter X जो है वो आपका 2 days ले रहा है, एंड carpenter Y जो है वो आपका 4 days ले रहा है. So total number of days by both X and Y equals to 2 into 4 upon 2 plus 4 equals to 1 by 3 days. Now we go for the another one. That is the another important question related to it only. Question is, what is the total number of days that carpenter Z will take to make one piece each of all the 4 items together? Options are 32 days, 24 days, 1 by 59 days, 1 by 32 days, and none of these. So for that it is 1 by 3 days. Here the options which we have is none of these. That will be the right answer for this particular question here. Now we go for it with 82nd question. So the question is, what is the total number what is the total number of days that carpenter Z will take to make one piece each of all the 4 items together? Options are 32 days, 24 days, 1 by 59 days, 1 by 32 days, none of these. So let's go for it, and that we go as follows. So here, total number of days that carpenter Z will take to make one piece each of all 4 items together. Equals to 3 plus 2 plus 12 plus 15. That is the graph being shown, is equals to 32 days. The answer will be 32 days. So the option A will be the first one, will be the right answer for this question. Now we go for another one related to this only. 83rd question of the session. The question is, if carpenter XYZ were to make a table together, how many days would they take? Options are 4 days, 3 days, 1 day, 2 days, none of these. So for that it will be, let's figure it out. 83rd question of the session. If carpenter X, Y and Z were to make a table together, how many days would they take? First is 4 days, 3 days, 1 day, 2 days. Fifth is none of these. Now let's go for it. So here we go. Carpenter X make a table in 3 days. Carpenter Y makes a table in 6 days. Carpenter Z makes a table in 2 days. Total time taken by X, Y and Z equals to 3 into 6 into 2 upon 3 into 6 plus 6 into 2 plus 3 into 2, which is equals to 3 into 6 into 2 upon 6 3s are 18 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 3 2s are 6, and that is 3 into 6 into 2 upon 36. So 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 1. So it will be 1 day. So 1 day it will be your option is your third option. That will be the right answer for this question here. Now we go for another question. That is the similar here, which is 84th question of the session. The question is, in how many different ways can the letter of the word stressed be arranged? That is the question here. So we go for it. So that is the another question. 84th question. Let's go for it. In how many different ways can the letters of the word stress be arranged? Options are 360, 240, 720, 120. None of these. So 6 letters in the word stress, whereas S comes 3 times, so number of ways. Six letters in word stress, where S comes 3 times. So number of ways 6/3. So 720 upon 6, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 0. So 120 will be the right answer, and that is your option 4 will be the right answer for this question here. Now we go ahead with another question, that is another important one, is your 85th question of this session and the last question of this session as well. The question is, the radius of a circular field is equals to the side of a square field whose diameter is 784 feet. What is the area of the circular field? Options are, that is 1,07,914 square feet, 1,20,736 square feet, 1,07,362 square feet, 1,27,306 square feet, and none of these. So we'll go for it. 85th. Now, the radius of a circular field is equals to the side of a square field whose perimeter is 784 feet. What is the area of the circular field? So let's figure it out here. Suppose radius of circular field is r. We go for it. Suppose radius of circular field is r foot. So r equals to 784 upon 4, that is 196 foot. Area of circular field by r square, which is 22/7 into 196 into 196, so that is equals to 10736 square feet, and that is your option 2 will be the right answer for this question here. So here we're gonna end up with, we'll start discussing about the next question in the next coming class. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you.